One of the great things I love about our partnership with Enzymedica is the parallel nature associated with your mission and ours.
Right.
Obviously, we are incredibly invested in our natural environment, and we are hoping to leave a better place for the next generation through all of our work. And part of that is focusing on resilience, integrating that into our coral restoration pipeline. So at any given point in time, we have staff out on the reef tract actively putting corals back out to help jumpstart population recovery. But we don't leave that to chance, in the sense that we make sure the corals that we're putting out onto the reef are the ones more likely to survive the changing environmental conditions or the next disease outbreak. And so we put a ton of science into making the decisions associated with what corals we put out onto the reef, who's going to be the parents of the next generation that we use to outplant corals. And all of that is by testing the resilience of these corals to things like increasing water temperature, changing ocean pH, or even known pathogens to prevent disease outbreaks from happening in the future. So we actually test these corals in our lab, identify which ones are the most robust or resilient, and we use that information to make more informed restoration practices. Corals are really unique in the sense that we don't know how long they actually live. We speculate they can actually live thousands of years. And so what we do today can have impacts for generations to come.